5 Love Languages Mantra. I open my heart to love in all its beautiful forms. I honor the way I give and receive love. I am fluent in the language of connection. I speak words of affirmation. With every kind word I uplift, with every truth spoken from love I empower. My voice carry warm appreciation and encouragement. I give words that heal and I welcome words that nourish my soul. I live through act of service. Love flow through my hands in action. With every small gesture, I say you matter. I serve not out of duty, but out of devotion. When I ease the load of another, I create space for joy. I give and receive gifts with intention. Every gift I offer holds meaning in memory. I see beauty in the little things and I cherish symbols of love. It is not about cost but connection. Each gift is a whisper of care, a token of thoughtfulness. I value quality time. My presence is my greatest offering. I listen with my whole heart. I make space for stillness, for shared laughter, for real conversations. In giving time, I give the sacred gift of myself. I embrace physical touch. I cherish the control of a hand held, the healing of an embrace, the warmth of closeness. I honor the body as I bridge between souls. Touch is my way of saying, I am here with you. Today, I choose to love deeply, to express love in the way others feel it most, to receive love without fear, and to grow in understanding and connection. I am love, I speak love, I live love, and love always returns to me.